check.
I don't know. I've not analyzed it in that way. I like to think he seems to be quite a good-hearted, carefree young soul. I don't mind acting as if it's like me in real life, but I think you'll have to ask my friends and family if they agree with you.
For how many days you guys shot in Bangalore? How,
We didn't shoot in
We
Bangalore.
didn't shoot in Bangalore. Our story is set in Bangalore, but
Yeah, but like you know, in this
Basuda is the magician,
filmmaking
so
process, sometimes you kind of
cheat
use it in
locations.
another way, and nowadays with technology, there's lots of ways of keeping a good budget, but finding a way to show something on screen. So
the tagline of this movie is your story, your love story. Is this any commonalities between your character and your real life?
no.
So, well, Adi said, I think that for me, I'm very talkative. Like as Sarah, I'm expressive, I'm talkative, I use my words a lot. I think my character is not like that. I think there's much more within. And I think she's like socially awkward. You'll see in the film, it starts with an introduction about me, my character. There's like a VO where you'll understand more about her. But she's a lot more like socially awkward and like confused than I think I am.
I think what the tagline implies when they say your own story is that there's so many different types of love stories in the film, different age groups, different shades of love that I think what Anurag sir is trying to portray, which he's telling the audience that you will identify with one someone in the movie. You'll see yourself and maybe your love story in one of them. So that's why I guess the tagline is your own story.
सर आप और आदित्य दोनों के बीच में एक बड़ी फ़र्क बनता है, मतलब आप दोनों देशभक्ति के फिल्म में बनाया ऑलरेडी। इससे पहले ये वतन मेरे वतन आपने बनाया और स्काई फोर्स में भी आपने काम किया। एक एक्ट्रेस होने के नाते जब स्क्रिप्ट चेंज होता है ना, मतलब देशभक्ति से एक नया दौर है, मतलब मेट्रो इन दिनों ये चेंज ओवर को आप कैसे फील कर सकते हैं एज एक्ट्रेस होके, और जब आप एक स्टेप उठाते हैं ना, मतलब आई हैव टू डू दिस सिनेमा, what is the main changeover between the previous films and this film?
Sir, as an actor, I think it's very important to be versatile, at least, and try. I want to be able to try every kind of genre. Ae Watan Mere Watan released the same month as Murder Mubarak. Right before that, there was Zara Hatke. So I think that, that's the fun of being an actor. No? You get to play lives that are not yours. You get to live characters जो आपसे परे हैं. And like this character, for instance, she's so different to who I am. Like I said earlier, I'm loud and bubbly and, chirpy. I don't know if I keep things in as much. And it was an interesting challenge for me to play something different. And as long as I can keep doing that, I want to be able to do every genre just across the board and keep growing and keep learning so I can do what I love doing.
And Sky Force वो हमारी कहानी है, कोडागु के कहानी एक।
जी, जी.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.